Where are we going, Lukey?
To Turks and Caicos. Turks and Caicos!
Why are we going?
Because it's for Mommy's birthday.
Mommy's birthday. Woohoo!
And
Big one. How old is Mommy gonna be?
40.
40. Big one. Here we go. Let's go. We got a fancy ride to the airport. What are we in, guys?
Yes, we're ready.
Lemon.
Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday.
We are checking in. Kids hanging out in their little cool spot here. These guys are living the dream right here. We're checking in, drinking their punch, watching some TV. What a way to check in. We have arrived at the beach.
And there's a water park right next to us.
Yeah, water park. Go check it out. Oh, ready to throw now. After a little fun pool time, what are we up to now? Sesame Street.
They like me, I want them to love me like they love pasta. I tell you I'm local. The plan is to put the rap game in the choke. I'm fully focused, man. My money on my mind, got a meal out the deal, and I'm still in the grind.
Where are we going?
Caribbean
Village. Where were we? That was the Key West Village. This place is huge. All right, after a complete battle with every child, we are finally heading to Mommy's birthday. All right, well, we lost Lukey for like 30 minutes, but we found him, and now we're ready to celebrate Mommy's. Yeah.
Getting rough, you can find me in the club. Bottle full of bug, my mind got what you need if you need to fill the bars. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, getting rough. My flow, my show brought me the dough. That brought me all my fancy things. My crib, my cars, my clothes, my jewels. Look on me, I done came up and I ain't changing. You should love way more than you hate it. Oh, you mad?
Y'all put your hands together for the one time. Let's go.
Woohoo!
So today we're gonna do magic tricks. We're gonna be doing card magic tricks. I'm gonna be mixing up the cards, and then I'm gonna give one to one of my friends. His name is Riley. And now I'm gonna randomly pick one, and then I'm gonna tell him the card if it is right. So first I'm gonna mix this up. I'm gonna pick a random card. Riley, show it to everyone, the card. So you did. And now, is this your card? Yes. Is this his card?
Woohoo!
Wow. That was a nice card magic. 1, 2, 3. All right. Get to get genre bright coming your way. Yeah.
All right, so we are enjoying ourselves with no children this evening. Getting a little dessert. Oh, look at that yummy dessert. And we got the show over there. All right, where are we? Ready? Beautiful. Where are we going, buddy?
On a catamaran boat.
A what?
A catamaran boat.
A catamaran boat? Where is it? Oh, there it is. A catamaran boat in all its glory. What kind of boat is this, Brady?
A catamaran boat.
It's called a catamaran.
Catamaran.
Yeah. We are ready to go snorkeling.
Snorkeling and yeah. Maybe we'll do this thing.
Yeah, maybe not. Lukey, you ready to snorkel, man? Oh yeah. What's up, Lukey? Oh. Here we are. Little private island. Mommy. Oh, there goes the iguana.
Kaylee, how does the sand feel? Quicksand. It just feels like a sponge.
Alright, you ready, Lukey? Here he goes. We are getting ready to eat some
Sushi.
We are about to go on a little boat ride and do a little fishing out there today. Keep cranking, Brady.
Oh yeah, you can see it right there. Oh, we got it. What'd you catch?
Oh, the barracuda.
Let's do this. See.
Awesome.
What did you think of that?
Yeah.
It was like, that fish was a big fish.
How
Like,
big was it?
almost as big, almost how big I am.
What are we doing, Lukey?
Watching the Sesame Street show.
The parade, right? Here they come. We are doing a little biking on the water. Right, Kaylee? Here we go. Check us out, huh? Brady Stern on the bike. Here we go. We are doing a little kayaking. Woo! Don't get close to it. It is our last night here, celebrating our anniversary right here on the beach. Looking forward to an amazing meal.
Beautiful out too. Last day, sadly.
We're leaving. Goodbye, beaches. Best part of the trip?
That's the best part. She doesn't know. Brady, what's the best part of the trip?
Everything.
Everything. What about you, Daddy? Best part?
Everything.
Everything. What about you, Lucky? Best part?
Watching the rise of Gru.
Yeah.
Rise of Gru.